In this video, I'm going to be unboxing our $15,000 reselling haul. And I did not actually pay $15,000 for this. I only paid around $1,500, but the combined value of everything in this package is around $15,000. So let's get right into it. All right, so let's get right into this package, guys. And this product right here inside of here is one of my best selling products of 2026. I've seen a lot of people having a lot of success with this as well. It's a great product to start with. If you don't have a ton of money, it doesn't cost a lot of money to upfront to get started with, and that's why it's one of the best products to start with. And there's also a lot of products you can scale up with this. So there's products you can buy for $30. There's products you could buy for $100. So it's great for the beginners. It's great for anyone who's been in the game for a little bit and wants to make a good profit per sale. But as we take off that styrofoam protective layer, as you can see, we have moissanite jewelry in here. This looks right here like, let me try to tell. This looks like 0.5 carat stud earrings, my bad, right there. And then we got I believe these are 1 carat. Yeah, we got 1 carat stud rings right there. We got a bunch of extra GRA certificates in here. Let's see what we got over here. These right here are gonna be our moissanite cross necklaces. So we got the cross pendants and then got the cross chains right in there. And then we got, I think these are the flower. Yep, these are flower earrings right here. These are a really good seller for me right here. Sell super well. A lot of people seem to love that style of earring. And then right here, this is also another good seller for me, are the princess cut earrings. These seem to sell super well. So yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of this organized, unboxed, and I'll catch you guys in a second. And as you guys can see, we have all of the products laid out right here. I do believe the supplier did ship the boxes separately because as you guys can tell, this stuff is like pretty heavy. So you don't want any of the boxes being damaged or broken while it's being shipped. So those are going to be coming in, I believe, in 2 days, 1 or 2 days, depending on the shipping carrier. But again, one of the reasons this is the best product to start reselling is because of how popular it is. Everyday people, even like athletes and celebrities like NFL players like Anthony Edwards, Shedeur Sanders, NBA players, rappers even like Cardi B, Lil Uzi Vert, all these people are wearing moissanite jewelry because it shines even brighter than diamonds, it's just as durable, and it's 10 times cheaper. So it's becoming one of the most popular products to start reselling. And again, if you guys want to resell moissanite jewelry, first link down in the description will be a free moissanite vendor for you guys to have access to so you can start reselling moissanite just like us. All right, and now we're going to get into a little bit of the products that we actually ordered right here. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little comparison. These are 0.5 and 1 carat stud earrings, my bad. Stud earrings are a great seller for me, one of my best sellers overall. They're kind of simple and plain, but that's why people like them. They're not crazy, they're not really expensive, they're really nice and clean. So we're gonna go ahead and get the 0.5 carat out right here. Get one of these out for you guys, and we'll give you a little comparison between the 1.5 or the 1 and 0.5 carat. We also, they do offer like 2 carat sizes as well. Those ones are a little bit more expensive, and they're a lot bigger of a stone. Some people like just a smaller, low-key type style stones. So we're just gonna get those right there. And the difference isn't gonna be super crazy, but there is a difference 100%. As you can see, there is a little bit of a difference right there between the 0.5 and the 1. But these are pretty much one of our best sellers out there. They're a great one to get started with as well. Really simple, really well selling. So yeah, let's get into the rest of them as well. And the next one we're gonna be going over right here is the princess cut earrings. So going ahead and get these ones out. Are these actually the flower earrings? This one right here actually seems to do really well. I've had a lot of sales with these on Macari. That app specifically does really well for me. But really neat, really cool pattern. Looks really well. Really good seller as well. They do also all come with GRA certificates. So I'll go ahead and get these out here. GRA certificates, which basically is just showing this is the highest quality moissanite. You got your GRA card on there with your ID and your scannable barcode, and then the GRA certificate itself, which shows its excellent cut, polish, and symmetry. It's basically the highest quality moissanite available. So this is also a really good tool to use when you're selling. You make sure to get a picture of these along with your product when you're selling these. So it's a great way to make your listing look more appealing. It also just shows the quality of your moissanite is on top. All right, guys, and last for the earrings up here, we have the princess earrings right here. So these are also another great seller alongside the flower earrings. These are another great seller for like the specialty type earrings, because the stud earrings are a little bit more of the like basic style, I would say. And they're also like a unisex style, so male and female are going to be wearing those compared to the princess and the flower, which are more female based. And as you can see, it's more of a square instead of a circle set. These are also a really great seller for the women. We'll get a little side-by-side comparison. so you guys can see the size for the princess and these flower earrings. But yeah, another great seller, princess earrings. And then last but not least, for the packages for the products, we have cross necklaces, excuse me. We also got the chains in there. We'll get into that in a second. Go ahead and take one of these out. These are a great seller as well. I'm actually wearing, this is a different style right here. This is a little bit of a larger style, a little bit more expensive, but for personal use, I like to wear it a little bit more. As you can see, we got the cross necklace pendant right there. And I don't know if you guys can see that on the back. It says 925 silver. It's probably not going to pop up too well, but all of these are going to be made with real 925 silver. That's another great appeal to the products. Gonna get one of these chains out as well. I think these are like 16 or 18 inch chains, I believe. Not 100% sure, but just gotta make sure it's not too tangled. Yeah, as you can see, nice little thin chain there to go with the pendant, and I'll get one of these on there and show you guys in a second. All right, so we got the cross on the chain now. As you guys can see, I think it's around like a 16, 18 inch chain. Looks very nice, and also the chain as well. Get a little close up on this. Is also 925 silver. Maybe hard to show up on the camera, but right up on that little pendant area, it does say 925 silver on there. So again, all these are made with 925 silver. Looks very nice, very clean. And we're also going to get a diamond test. We're going to diamond test all the products each just to show you guys. These are also available on the website, down link in the description. If you guys want to pick these up, a great way, another way to elevate your listings when you're making these. It's another great appeal of moissanite is it does pass the diamond tester. That's why, as I mentioned before, all those famous rappers and athletes, even everyday people are wearing moissanite because it does pass on the diamond tester. Just as nice, just as good quality, even shines brighter than diamonds. We're going to go ahead, get a diamond test on these. Got the cross necklace. Passes all the way, no problem. Got the princess right here. Of course, passes on the diamond tester. Halo, or not halo, excuse me, flower earrings. Wait for that to go down real quick. There we go. As you can see, passes the diamond tester. And then last, we got the stud earring. We're just going to do the 1 carat because obviously 1 and 0.5 carat, same exact thing, but just different sizes. And passes on the diamond tester. So this right here, just showing you highest quality moissanite available, super high quality stuff. And if you want to start reselling, again, first link in the description down below. And when it comes to actually listing these products up and getting sales, I recommend using all of the marketplace apps available to you guys. You know, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, OfferUp, Mercari, all those good apps up there. If you want to know all of them, I just recommend using like Google. You can look up like top 20 best marketplace apps, and it'll give you a list of a bunch of apps to use. When you're making listings on those apps, again, it's really important you have high quality photos, making sure your camera is nice and clean, have good quality settings, making sure you have good quality lighting as well. Good natural sunlight makes these moissanite stones pop really well. So that's why I recommend having good quality photos. It attracts a lot of people to your listings and it's going to bring you more sales. But if you want in-depth guides on those, you know, little tips and tricks, and also like little guides on those apps and how to get the most sales on those apps specifically, we have 2 previous videos, one on Facebook Marketplace and one on eBay, I believe, which are really good videos. You can check those out for in-depth guides. If you want to see any other videos around apps as well, some different apps besides Facebook Marketplace or eBay, just leave a comment down below letting us know. So when it comes to the pricing of the products themselves, they are going to be priced differently just depending on what the product is. So for a product like moissanite stud earrings, they are one of the best selling because they are unisex product, meaning you can sell to men and women. It's not just limited to one gender, but they're going to be priced a little bit lower than the other ones. I recommend around $100 to $200 for the stud earrings. And for the flower and the princess cut earrings right here, I recommend around $100 to $300 just depending on the carat size again. And for the flower cut earrings like these ones, it's going to be mostly women getting these ones just because of the design and the style. And then for the princess cut, it will be both male and female, mostly female, but you will have some male and female customers with these ones. Last but not least, we have the cross necklaces right here. I recommend listing these for around $300. You're going to get a lot of offers for men and women. This is both a unisex product as well, and also has a large customer base. There's a lot of Christians out there, a lot of religious people, so this is going to be also a great seller for you guys. And that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. In this video, we only showed you guys a few, like 3 different variants of the earrings and 1 little variant of a necklace. But again, there's a ton of different products out there. There's a ton of different earrings, necklaces, chains, rings, bracelets, a bunch of stuff like these right here, which are moissanite stud and moissanite halo rings. Those are also great sellers. I have more of those coming on the way, or products like this, which is a tennis bracelet and a Cuban bracelet, also really great sellers. And again, if you guys want to get started reselling moissanite just like us, I'll make sure to leave a free link down below for a vendor to get started with. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe. And if you want to see any other videos in the future, let us know down in the comments below.